Hello, it's Neil here. Bull runs. Good day. So, what's going on in the market today with cryptocurrency and blockchains? I was going to do a small recap of what's been going on within the last week, and what's to look forward to, at least in the short term. Within the last month, Bitcoin has jumped from 19 to 23,000. The weekend gave sentiment to 24,000 mark, but today, Monday, we are seeing a retest of about 23. We might see slow and sideways charts at the beginning of this week. Why I think so is because the Fed to announce short-term interest rates and or hikes on February 1st, which is a Wednesday. Though recently hawkish on the Fed rate hikes, some speculate the hikes to be comparably small than that of 2022. Tapering the curve of inflation because of the recent economic data has been lightly positive. Other news this week, Cardano is to release their stablecoin DJED with COTI, and I did a video about that, about COTI in my blockchains playlist. Yeah, they're to release the stablecoin DJED with COTI and its liquidity pools for staking this week, and to work with Cosmos on interchangeability amongst the blockchains. I think to get more involved with DeFi and NFTs, just to get the market flowing, for them to be interchangeable amongst blockchains. Some of the top altcoins making room for the influx of the market's liquidity as of recently are the Phantom altcoin, which also I did a video on. Coin growth of 2,000% growth. They did release in the beginning of bear market, so they went all the way down. So their release, they got no adoption pretty much when they released. So now that the bull market's starting to pick up, they went 2,000%. They released their project in the Dead of Crypto winter. And then you have Optimism, which I don't know a lot about, but it had an increase of 1,400%. But it is a layer 2 protocol that's on the Ethereum network, and near 900%. And I also did a video about that on blockchains crypto playlist. I feel like this next week, because of the Fed hike on Wednesday, because we are still coupled in a sense to US dollar in a sense, and to the US market and economy in the Western world. With all that said, it may seem positive in the markets recently, but we are still about 75% from the previous tops. So that's quite an optimistic realization of the charts. And you could probably be assured that the top 10 by market cap, minus stable coins, of course, will re-reach these positions, if not surpass, based on the trajectory of the bull market, historical data, and the mechanisms play like having with Bitcoin and burning for some of the other altcoins. I think the bear market and all the negative players in the space have met their shortcomings as far as Ponzi, House of Cards style exchanges, like FTX, of course, Three Arrows, all these different. They had to meet their demise when the bank runs came, so I feel like all the FUD is kind of out, so now it's more about is their legitimacy, and the adoption of the mainstream really is how far and fast will it go. Really, the legitimate blockchains and protocols have proven transparency, and decentralized monetary systems seemingly prevail going on into this next bull season. So a lot of optimism in the markets. Of course, we're going to be sideways, it seems like. If you really do look at the historical charts, we are at a macro scale, we're still just at the bottom of a bear market. We're still down 75%, 80% almost, some more. With those details and charts and data out there, if the market is more adoptable this bull run, which seemingly it's more and more people and companies are talking about it. Yeah, we'll see what happens. That is Neil, bull runs.